In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task to a queue in Salesforce. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or ensuring that tasks are efficiently distributed among team members, assigning tasks to queues is a powerful tool in Salesforce. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to go ahead and log into your Salesforce account. As you know, this is a crucial step since we need access to the Salesforce dashboard to perform our task. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon, which is your gateway to all settings. Click on this gear icon and it'll open up the Setup menu. From there, you want to delve into Advanced Setup. It's a part of Salesforce that allows you to configure and customize the platform according to your business needs. Now, in the Advanced Setup, you'll notice a Quick Find box on the left side. It's a great time saver tool that helps you search for various features and settings swiftly. In this box, type Queues, and from the drop-down options presented, select Queues. With this, a new interface opens up, and here's where you will begin creating your queue. Go ahead and click on New to start setting this up. In this step, you'll be asked to specify which objects the queue will support. For our purpose today, you'll want to choose Task from the list of options. This tells Salesforce that your queue will handle tasks specifically. Next, you'll be prompted to add members to the queue. Members could be users or roles who you want to have access to tasks within this queue. Once you've decided on your members, remember to click Save. This action creates the queue and establishes who can access it. Now that your queue is ready, it's time to return to the Quick Find box again. This time, type in Tasks. This will navigate you to the Tasks section, and here you will create a new task record. Click on New Task to proceed. This is a straightforward step, but crucial to our overall goal of assigning it to a queue. As you enter the details for the new task, pay attention to the Assign To field. This is where the magic happens. Click on this field, and instead of assigning the task to an individual user, select the queue name that you just created. This step effectively queues up the task so that any member of the queue can tackle it. Finally, make sure to save your new task record. With this last click of the Save button, congratulations, your task is now successfully assigned to a queue. By following these steps, you've utilized Salesforce's queue system to enhance your task management process. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!